The power of small habits. Did you know that small habits can have a big impact on your life and business? It's true. The little things you do consistently can lead to massive results over time. Think about it. If you read just 10 pages a day, you'll finish a book every month. If you make just 5 extra calls a day, you'll make 1,300 more connections in a year. If you exercise for just 20 minutes a day, you'll be in better shape than most. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about doing something consistently. Small habits create momentum and build confidence. They compound over time to produce lasting change. So what small habits can you start today? Maybe it's a morning routine, a daily learning habit, or consistent marketing activity. Pick something simple and commit to doing it every day for the next 30 days. Track your progress and celebrate your wins each day, each week, each month. You will get better and better. Over time, you'll transform your life and business. Small habits lead to big results. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life change. It's the little things that make the big difference. Join us on Rockstar Agent.